Yeah, what is it? Something in the air? What's that? Boogies? Yeah, boogies. Probably boogies stuck in here. Okay, I think I'm gonna start giving you allergy medicine again. Let's take those boogies out. Yeah. 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 Boogies. Sasha, you're in the way, sweetie. I'm filming Sammy right now. I'm sorry, sweetie. I'm sorry. You have to breathe. Let me see what's going on here. Okay, baby. Okay. Okay, go. You can go now.